أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ahlul Quran, I hope and pray that you are in the best state of health and iman, inshallah. Inshallah, today we'll be learning Surah Rahman, ayah number 2. First, I'll recite this. علم القرآن. Okay, the Tajweed ruling here. علم. The letter Ain is pronounced using the middle part of our throat. It should never be pronounced like Hamza. It should not sound a. It should sound a. Okay. Allamal. The letter Mim in the word Allama is connected to the Lam al-Qamariyah. The Lam which is in the word Al-Quran. The Hamzatul Wasl which is in the beginning of the word Al-Quran is ignored because that Hamzatul Wasl is not recited. It is not pronounced when we are doing Wasl. Wasl means to continue from the previous word. We will not recite it. Allamal Quran. The letter Qaf is pronounced from the last part of our tongue. Okay, the posterior part of our tongue. It should not sound like letter Kha, which is a throat letter. Letter Qaf is a tongue letter, and so it should be pronounced using the last part of our tongue, touching the upper soft palate, inshallah. Ra sakin will be heavy because the letter before it has dhamma on it. Quran. Hamza, which has turning fatha, is usually pronounced for 2 haraka. Okay, it should be pronounced for 2 haraka, that is 2 count stretch. Just because we are converting the letter noon with fatha into noon with sakin during waqf, we will apply madul arid li sukun, which we discussed in previous ayah in details, and we can stretch hamza for 2 or 4 or 6 count, inshallah. علم القرآن. جزاكم الله خيرا. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.